Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to file annual return in 2025. Filing annual return is very easy. And what is annual return? Let me just show you on Google what it means. What is annual return? Annual return. So you see what Google is bringing forward. So annual return can refer to a form that a company file with a regulatory body or a metric used to assess an investment platform, an investment performance. So it's a yearly payment that you make, especially when you register on CAC portal. Let's check what they write here. You see, CAC annual return are filed with the Corporate Affairs Commission to update the company information, while tax return are filed with the relevant tax authority to report the company income and tax liability. If you want to file for CAC annual return, you can only do that on CAC portal. Why, if you want to file for your tax return, you go to your FRS, or if you have a JTB tax certificate, you go to JTB office. FRS and JTB, they are just like a brother and sister. They are government body that collect tax. So the one you have, if you have FRS tax certificate, you go to FRS. If you have a JTB, you go to Joint Board Tax, you go to their office. So now let's go to the CAC portal and see how we can pay for annual return. So you are going to go to post.cac.gov.ng. So, and don't forget, annual return can only be filed by CAC accredited agent. So you watching this video, you are very lucky. You can be part of our students. You can join our premier platform, whereby you are going to get access to accredited agent account, and you can do whatever you want to do. Now, this is the dashboard. You are not going to the dashboard. You need to search for the company that you want to file annual return for. So your customer will give you a name. They will give you the name that you file annual return for. So let me use my company name for instance, but I filed my annual return for 2024. So I'll just search for my name. Wow, this is my name. So now you click on proceed to dashboard. So when you proceed to dashboard, you see we are here now. Annual return. The first thing that you brought here is annual return. So you'll see this one is approved because I've filed annual return for 2024. Let me click on it. See, created on January 29, 2025. File year is 2024. They approve it and I've downloaded this. So now let me oh Jesus, I go back. Let me show you what to do. So proceed. If you want to file annual return, this is what you are going to do. You click on start filing annual return. Then you select the year that you want to file. This is not yet time to file 2025. I just want to show off the practical. You just click on start annual return. Now this is what they are going to show you. They are going to show you the company name, the registration number, the objective of the company. And sometimes the objective may not show here. So that is why you need to collect the status report from your customer, or if it is your personal document, check out your status report and input the correct information here as you have it on your status report. But if it is automatically shown here, you don't need to bother yourself. Mine is showing automatically. I don't need to stress myself. You can see my address and everything. And once all this thing is showing, just scroll down. If you have branch, you can add it. But if you don't have branch, when you register your company, don't bother yourself. Just scroll down. Don't worry, the proprietor is already here. Just scroll down and check if it's added already. This is the proprietor. This is me here. My name is added here already. I don't need to stress myself. So if the proprietor is not added, so that is when you are going to add proprietor here, you see. But if it has been added, you just click on proceed. Now they are asking you for annual return details for a year. You are going to calculate your net turnover, your net assets. So the year is 2025. I'm not filing for 2025. I'm just doing it as an example. Let's click January. You start from January 1 to December for instance. Okay, let me just use 2024 so that people get confused at the end of the day. So 2024 for instance, you select January 2024. So 1/1. So this is how you do it. So if you are filing for 2018, you are filing for 2019, from 2019 to 2024, you are going to file in year by year. You are not going to select 2018 year and come and select 2024 year. It's year by year, and you are going to start from January to December of that particular year. Now your net over is the total amount of money you gain, maybe like your profit in the company. Let's say your profit is 300,000, you put 300,000 here. Maybe at the end of the year your turnover profit is 300,000. Then your net assets after your expenses, every other 10, what you have on ground is just 100,000. You just put it here. Then you put the name of the proprietor. Let me just put my name for instance. Let me put my name. Copy the name of the proprietor here. Ensure you are inputting the correct information. So the distribution is proprietor. It is a limited, is going to be a director. You click on save and continue. So I have already filed for 2024. That is why it's showing a pop-up here. So the next thing that they are going to show after this section is preview. So once they show the preview, the next thing is to make your payment. Preview is where you check that all your documents is correct. Once it's correct, click on payment. You click on payment. So once you click on payment, you make your payment, and after making your payment, you go to upload. You are not going to upload any document. Just click on submit, and your document will submit. So after the submission, you come back to your dashboard. And your work is going to be on pending. It's going to be on pending in this place. You are going to see your work on pending. Your work is going to be on pending here. So it will be here. So maybe you make a payment and you have not submitted the work. It's going to be on not submitted. So I'm going to click on it and proceed. So once it's on pending, you leave it until they approve it. So once they approve it, it will be showing here. Then you can click here to download your certificate. You see it now? So if they query the work, they are going to tell you the reason why they query it and you will rectify it. So this is how to file annual return in 2025. If you are having any question, let me know in the comment section. Please like this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and let your friend and family know that this is a channel for CAC registration and other means of getting income in 2025 in Nigeria. Thanks for watching. I love to hear from you.